You are going to learn useful English sentences to improve your listening, speaking, and pronunciation abilities. You are encouraged to listen carefully and repeat each sentence aloud. Pay close attention to the pronunciation, connected speech, intonation, and rhythm. All sentences are read in American English.
Do you have a second? Do you have a second? Sorry, what was that again? Sorry, what was that again? I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean it that way. Mind if I join you? Mind if I join you? That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm not really sure, honestly. I'm not really sure, honestly. Let me get back to you on that. Let me get back to you on that. Same here. Same here. I owe you one. I owe you one. What's the plan for today? What's the plan for today? I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Let's not rush this. Let's not rush this. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.